Come with me to tour this incredible 3-bedroom, 2-bath home in Sunset Beach. Let's explore this renovated 1-level home. This kitchen is not only incredible for the cook in your life, but look at all of the possibilities for entertaining. One of the unique features is this peninsula fireplace. So whether you're in the kitchen or watching TV, you're toasty warm. This home has just about everything. Can't you see yourself ending the day with a nice glass of wine in this gorgeous tub? For more information, contact me, Jenny Lee Deptula, for a private tour.